Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to design water drop in Adobe Illustrator in just a few seconds. To start, select the ellipse tool, hold down the shift key and draw a circle. Holding shift ensures our circle is properly round, not an oval. Now select the direct selection tool and select the top anchor point. Now pull it higher. Don't forget to hold shift to keep it straight. Finally, select the pen tool, hold down the Alt key and click once on that top anchor point, and that's it. Our water drop icon is ready. It's that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.